Hey, what's up? This is Making Money with Stephen A. Williams here on YouTube. I wanted to tell you a quick story. Out here shopping today, hit the big stores on the Gold Coast in Chicago, hit the Rolls-Royce dealership, and funny thing is that they were low on inventory. People must got money out there. Let me tell you a quick story about something that happened to me when I was in the military. I remember there was this, we were able to get the day off of guard duty if you had your BDUs, which is your uniform, pressed to the T and your boots shined, spit shine, that's what we used to call it. But I remember when I first started thinking about doing it to get a day off, there was other soldiers that were in my unit, and we used to always talk about, well, why go through it, because you're not gonna get the day off anyway. You're not gonna win, because it was gonna be between 10 different soldiers. And he was like, you're not gonna win. And just one of the days, what I ended up doing is I just said, hey, I'm gonna have my stuff pressed. I had one uniform that I would only use for guard duty, and it was always pressed from the cleaners. And then my boots, I spit shined them. You could see your face on them, on these boots. And guess what? I won. And guess what? I won again. I kept winning over and over again, getting the day off. And so what this is, what the lesson in this is all about is that if you're going to be successful, you're going to have to go at it on your own. And think about it this way too. Think about it this way. When I won, guess what? All of the people who were talking about that I couldn't win, guess where they were at? They were doing guard duty. They wasn't with me. So why listen to people who tell you you can't do things? Because regardless if you win or lose, you're not gonna, if you lose, I guess you'll be with them. But if you win, you become a winner, and they're not gonna be advancing with you. So that's a lesson that you need to keep in mind when trying to become successful and starting your own business, is that you got to stop listening to people who aren't doing what you want to do and who are not aimed towards being successful.